What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video. Y'all see the muscles in the upper body, man. Your boy been in the gym, not like I'm supposed to be, but I've been in the gym. Your boy is sitting at 235, though. But anyway, before I start this video, I just want to thank y'all. I want to thank God. I want to thank y'all, because without God, none of this stuff would be possible. But without y'all, I wouldn't be in this predicament to be where I'm at today. And to be able to get all this stuff and be able to share this with y'all, shout out to Josh. You really had helped me out. But if y'all haven't caught on by now, I have my first sponsor, and it is with no other than a company called Boost Auto Parts. This 2500 is fire, just to let y'all know. That Ram 2500 is fire. But Boost Auto Parts, a shout out to y'all, shout out to Josh for working with me, giving me the opportunity to be able to share y'all product, my subscribers. Man, I love y'all subscribers. I really appreciate y'all, Boost Auto, for the opportunity. And we gonna make the best of it. But y'all can follow them on their social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. All that is going to be right here. Yeah, that's TikTok. Going to be right here at Boost Auto Parts. But I also will drop their Instagram. I'm also going to drop their website. And I'm going to drop the link to the part that they had sent me with a lot of goodies, though. But I'm going to go ahead and drop the link to the part, just in case if y'all want to get the part. That being said, let me go ahead and show y'all some of these goodies they sent. I showed y'all the cars. This one right here is going to be on the refrigerator. I don't have nothing on my fridge, so but this is going to be the first thing and the only thing. Probably going to put a picture of me or something like that on there too, you know. Sorry, I've been thirsty. I've been recording this for about 30 minutes now. I keep starting over. But, you know what I'm saying? They gave me this right here with their logo on it. Definitely going to use this. I don't really use these, but I always wanted to get one and use them in here and when I go out. So I'm definitely going to use this, especially when I go to the shows. Let people know who I'm sponsored with, baby. But we also got this fire keychain from Boost Auto. This keychain is fire. I'm going to definitely put this on my key once I go over there and grab my keys, because we got to go outside and install this bad boy right here I'm looking at. But Josh, I don't know how you knew my size, but we got an extra large Boost Auto shirt. I will be rocking this weekend, yo. I promise you I'm rocking this weekend. And I like the shirt. I really do. I'm not one of them people that gonna be like, oh man, I like it because it's free. No, I like it because I like it. That shirt fire. But the product we will be installing today is the new body style key fobs, but got the chip in it to do the 07 to 14 Yukons, Tahoe, Suburbans, Sierras, Silverados, you name it, they got it. But see, mine, you know, I got the remote start on mine. I got the lift gate, so it's gonna work with all of that. Also, I'm gonna show you how it look. The Boost Mobile logo is sitting right here. It got some weight to it. It's not no cheap material they got, and I love that about that too. The front right here, the buttons are very clear and they're functional. I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all outside, man. I'm gonna sit y'all in the truck and I'm gonna show y'all how to program these key fobs. Any key fob in your Yukon or Tahoe, I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. So y'all go ahead and take a walk with me while we walk down there to that beast. I'm gonna show y'all the beast. The beast is dirty, so do not get on me in the comment section because she is dirty. But I am gonna show y'all how to install this real quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video at that. So let's go ahead and go on downstairs.
Oh, yeah, I see the beast. Yes, sir. Gonna unlock it real quick. Oh! Anyway, man, I do not like the quality of this video right now. Let me see. Cut it back off. Anyway, so y'all don't judge me because I ain't got no gas in here. But I did feel like stopping to the gas station. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all exactly how to program these key fobs in here real quick. So y'all follow me as I do it. So the first thing you're gonna do, matter of fact, I'm gonna do a comparison before I do it. This is the old key fob. There's nothing wrong with the old key fob. I love it. But you see, it was a cheating one. The dude who I bought the truck from, he actually bought this one. It was like $5, $6 on Amazon. The first week, all the buttons faded. Still works perfectly fine though. You know what I'm saying? It works perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But this is the old one. This is the new one. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Stop playing with me. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do this, because the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna crank this bad boy out. Gonna crank the bad boy out. Now, I'll show y'all. Talk about me now, because ain't no gas in here, but the remote key learning is what you're gonna do. And I'm gonna show you what to do. So you're gonna press this button right here. I'll never do that. I'm gonna press this button right here, and it's gonna go to the thing. But I'm gonna show you after I program the key. Okay. So, I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all exactly what to do. Let me see if I can set this down real quick. Cause I think the last time I did it, I think you gotta press the lock and the unlock. I think you gotta hold it. And there you go. You hold it for about a good 3 to 4, well, about a good 10, 15 seconds. And it programs itself. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other one too, to make sure my other one still works. That's on the ignition. It's on the ignition right here. Gotta do this too. So me, I like to hold it for like 10, 15, 20 seconds, just so it can learn it. So that way when I let it go, locks, unlocks, locks, unlocks. So now that I got this situated, we're gonna cut the truck off. Go open it up. I'm gonna hit the, now it's time to try everything. All right, so now that we know that works, let's go ahead and try the back hatch. Press this twice. Press it twice and hold it. It opens up. Now I'm gonna try this. There you have it. All right, so y'all can see that it works perfectly fine, and it still looks amazing, yo. I love the way this looks. It works fine. And want to give a big shout out once again to Boost Auto Parts. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the opportunity, and I'm going to continue to keep bringing y'all people back to back as much as I can, baby. Yeah, I ain't need to see that. Y'all ain't caught it. But anyway, y'all probably gonna catch it. Y'all gonna run it back. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, man. I got more stuff in the works. Y'all just give me a little bit of time to be patient with me. I got some stuff cooking up in real life, but I had to bring y'all that, and I got some other stuff coming to the truck as well. So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Come rock with the Styles Gang. Y'all know my slogan. Y'all know how I get down. 2023 was my year, but 2024 we doing some more, baby. In 2025 we on the rise. And I'm still trying to get that logo for 25. Anyway, man, this your boy Carolina Styles signing out. Peace.